So you might be in a position where Facebook is not letting you comment on anybody's post. So maybe you're trying to comment on maybe your friend's post, your family member's post, whatever the case is, and they're just stopping you from commenting. Now, this can be for a few reasons. The first thing being, it may not always be a specific account issue. Usually why something like this could happen is because the person who made that specific post did not allow people to comment on it, or they restricted people to either be like friends and family, or just friends, or people who are, whatever the case is, things like that. So you may want to double check that specific post you're trying to comment and see if that's the issue. Sometimes that can be, hopefully that is the issue. If it is, there's not much you can do. You're just going to have to wait and or become their friend or whatever, and then you may be able to comment on it. Now, another reason why you may not be able to comment on a specific post is if you are on a very outdated version of your Facebook account. So what you want to do is you want to make your way over to your app store just like this, and you want to find the Facebook application. So go ahead and search for Facebook. In this case, I might be able to find it just like this. No, I can't, so I'm going to have to find it. So search up Facebook just like this, and you want to go ahead and update your Facebook application. As I mentioned before, almost every single time, if you just update your app, that will probably end up fixing the situation. So just go ahead and update the application, and that could end up fixing it too. Now, if that doesn't fix it, you may have an account issue on Facebook. So what does this mean? Well, potentially you may have went ahead and actually done a lot of things against Facebook's terms of service. So these things can include like spam posts. If you're harassing or things like that, trolling too much, you might be in a situation where your Facebook account is banned from commenting. Now, usually these bans aren't forever. They can be temporary, but this is pretty much a close step of you getting your Facebook account banned. So take this as a warning. If you're doing that kind of stuff, I would recommend quitting that, because you will not be able to comment on anybody's posts if you go down that direction. So those are some big things to keep in mind, but otherwise, those are some ways to fix it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.